resisting and possession of a controlled substance.
He knew he was getting arrested. He just didn't want to forget the words of the song that he just written, right? Because he was like, wow, this is actually pretty good. I got to repeat it.
Especially for on the spot.
Yeah,
and rhyme it. It was about the situation at hand. It was pretty good.
The one thing, though, is you can't be getting into vehicles with strangers. She said she didn't know this guy. He was giving her a ride. And look what happens. You can't be doing that.
You heard of a company called Uber?
Yeah, real.
Well, and you're getting in a car with strangers there.
That's what I'm pointing out.
Oh, sorry. I missed. Let's go to Volusia County. Deputy Royce James there responding to a call of trespassing.
Excuse me?
Hey guys, I'm not sure how I got into the property, but you go on the north side, that's the way you access the property.
Did he jump over the gate? Did he jump over the gates? I'm sure it's locked.
I have no idea. The gates are supposed to be locked.
Yeah, they're still
They're
locked.
locked. You have my permission. I'm sorry?
I have your permission to what?